Hello. I am excited to show you guys one of the newest website redesigns that we've done. This was a really cool site, especially because it went from a really old website to a really new, updated one. So let me show you what it used to be. It used to look like this, and it was fun working with them, and like they didn't have a logo that was larger, and it was very easy to recreate this logo and get it focused, get it honed in. And then also I like created an icon that I don't know if you can see it up there, that is way more clean and synced up looking. And just as an example, one of the things that we also updated was their photo gallery. This was their old photo gallery. It had like 3 photos, and yeah, we went through and really built out this website. It's huge upgrade from what it used to be. And now that you see the old website, I'm going to the new one. So hopping in, I struggled with the design at first because I wanted to integrate the appearance of stairs in multiple ways. And luckily they had a lot of pictures, but I managed to throw together a little video with the images they gave me. And then I really love this. I imitated this from another website I've done before, where when you go, you hover over it and you can click on it and it'll take you to that service. Now, then the contact form, but right here is where I feel like I did a little bit of nice fancy footwork, where if you hop in, you can see that this block comes out and it goes back and forth, and you can actually see a white trail that loops around these sections. And it makes it that we can highlight these 3 different services of custom staircase, circular staircase, and then straight staircases. But it has them kind of sectioned out this way and has almost like steps going up to it. It's not completely obvious, but I really liked that flair and add that we did there. So let's check out the About Us. I found a video clip of somebody walking upstairs in Canva, and I was like, perfect, let's use it. And that adds a nice flair to the About Us and the portfolio. On the actual service pages, I have all of the services kind of tightened in here, where we have the image in the background. We have this. I was working on another construction related website at the same time that I stole so many ideas from each one, where I was like, ooh, this is perfect. And in that same one, I did the same thing where I have this locked in, that when you scroll, it has a similar appearance. Yeah, because essentially I was building them at the exact same timeline and different things, and I was like, oh, I like that. But they're not the same website. There's definitely a large amount of differences, and they do different styles of construction. They're not competitors, really. This is one thing that I felt like I got a little busy here, but I felt like it worked mainly in it's a view our portfolio button, that we've got a variety of things that they can see right off the bat. It's pretty straightforward, pretty beautiful. I like what we did here. We'll go into the balusters. So with balusters, we have all the different types of balusters listed here, that, like, say you want to look at the metal ones, it takes you to the metal baluster page. You can see an example and everything. And yeah, it looks beautiful. It's pretty straightforward, but they have already, so in talking with them and designing this website, they said, I asked them, like, how often do you get leads from the website? And we're like, well, we don't have a contact form. We don't have anything set up tracking wise. We don't really know that we've gotten anything from the website. And the website's now been up for about a week, and I believe they've had like 4 quality leads already. And that's one thing where I'm like really excited. I can't wait to see the traffic, see how it grows, and potentially do even more SEO in this whole thing growing and improving. But yeah, this was a really fun site. Really stark contrast doing the before and after of getting a unified brand and color and all of it tightened up. It is wonderful. Well, thanks for checking out the site that I built. Work hard, market well.